Pursuing work you love as your day job is often a scary proposition. Risk and uncertainty prevent many from moving forward. People often think black belts in karate are not scared, or samurai warriors did not feel fear going into battle. That is not the case. Both feel fear. Whether a great warrior or a master presenter such as Steve Jobs, courage is the ability to execute despite feeling fear. You cannot execute at anything you don't love. So the choice is clear. If you want a life of meaning and fulfillment, then take on a mission that scares you, that you can barely lift, and see it through no matter what. It must be noted that does not mean you should be rigid. Instead, you must have Shoshin, a beginner mindset. You must question your decisions, test your hypothesis, pivot as required, evolve and grow as a person. Be better than you were, improve life for others who are less fortunate, and grow your reach and revenue.
Outsourcing can be easy, and now it is. Digital Samurai microfunnels. Curated content. Smart targeting. Micro campaigns. Success simplified. Powered by Client Concierge Service Bot. Get your micro funnel now and simplify your success with Digital Samurai.